looking like a cross between Jeffrey Dahmer and the Unabomber. You ever wanna knock John down a peg? Ask him how he shot himself in the leg. I never let my ego get so large after that negligent discharge. We all knew how you got boss duty. You let that fruity snoot near your booty. And right after you offered up your rear, the only talent you had was to disappear. If a call's from furniture or garden, you'll just have to beg his pardon. He's on his way up the stairs, spending all day in housewares, cause the only thing he cares about is having affairs. You trot the dot like a rocket, trying to bang her, and sneaking them on your pocket is the only way you pick up a hanger. He'd cheat on Mandy with every girl he'd see, from A for Ariane to Mackenzie. There was no warning for what came next. At 3 in the morning he sent a text. Once again he did nothing last night, but that's not what incited the fight. Right at the end of the week, when there was still no schedule in sight, with pure delight he'd tell us to sit tight. It wasn't only Harry that would say, but it's Saturday. It hurt his reputation when he caused a situation by waiting 4 months to sign my vacation application. Then he'd speed off to Desmond for weed. Then Reed said we need to leave, and we all agreed and fleed. And we all know where you peed. Why'd you have to breed? Then Pete went ahead and cheated on his wife with a girl that looked like the local wildlife. Throw on a saddle for you straddle that cattle. You prattle and self-tattle that you made the ceiling rattle. You were the only one snitching about your time above the kitchen. She wasn't even half your age. Say bye to your minimum wage. Did you believe their excuse, poor Petey? They didn't really fire you for your graffiti. Should've stopped popping off and just ignored the boobs and focused on dropping off your cardboard cubes.